This is my purchase. The guy had it in his backyard. It looked really bad. You can probably see the before pictures. He pressure washed it for me. And now the fun part. Actually, since I got it out of his backyard, I've been able to look at it better, and I found a lot of rust. Like the steps, they're pretty rusted in there. Can't even get that down right now. It's torn underneath it. I got scissor jacks, it looks like, or some sort of jacks. They won't come down. Got a soft spot in the floor. But I'll show you all that in just a second. This is the Ambassador land yacht. And refrigerator, you know, needs replacing. Hot water heater, I don't even know if it works. I actually kind of like those tail lights. Like if I can turn them to LED. And as far as this awning goes, it looks as if it's been replaced. The other Airstream I had was a 1990, and it had the Zip D cloth, which I like better. So far, oh, and he had the brakes redone. Apparently it had hydraulic brakes. He had those replaced with electric ones. And I noticed when I looked in the fender well before I bought it from him, it had a lot of rust in there too. Awning's in bad shape, trust me. The roof leaked up at the front vent, so I've temporarily patched that. Other than that, there are no other leaks I can see so far on top of this camper. So even though it was parked under an oak tree for 5 years, apparently it helped protect it from the sun. But anyways, we'll walk inside.